Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Colin here with more rock and roll. Good to see you. If you're here, I know you've got good taste, and that's what we're going to be covering today. We're going to be looking at the Cramps. Many years ago, when I was a schoolboy back up in the northeast of Scotland, music was quite hard to find in those days. This was back in the 1980s. Cramps were kind of just peaking about then. I was a little bit younger, so I never got to see them live, unfortunately. But we used to trade the music in the classrooms. We'd all sort of buy one record each, and then we'd sort of swap them around and would get to know all the music. So one day I was sitting in the chemistry lab at Milnes High School, and I was passed this record, The Smell of Female by the Cramps. What can I say about it? It was very different at the time, and but very well worth listening to. Live music at its absolute best. And the thing about the Cramps is, I think their music's very, very underrated in many ways. It's well crafted, the lyrics are amazing, possibly a little risque for the times that we're living in now, which is a shame, but great songs and the absolute essence of what live music and rock and roll should be, in my opinion. Anyway, this song is in the key of A. So I've got a kind of fairly simple setup. I'll put a picture up so you can see. But I'm using a Katana amplifier, which is pretty much the standard amplifier most people use these days. It's so versatile. But the only thing it doesn't have a fuzz effect built in, which I think is a great mistake. So I've got a fuzz pedal. It's only 20 quid. It's easy to buy. It's a Behringer fuzz pedal. You can get that on Amazon, and it's a really great fuzz pedal. So I use that a lot when I'm doing this type of thing. So yeah, the intro goes like this. It actually starts on the E chord. So what I'm playing is I'm playing 12th fret on the B, then 12th fret on the E, like that. Then 15 on the B, then 12 on the B, then 12 on the E, 12 on the B. Sorry, 12 on the E, 15 on the B. Like that. Move it back 2 frets. Then we're going to go down to the E, play your E shape at the bottom of the fretboard. And move it up a fret. So I move it up like 1 fret at a time. Then go to the A chord, the E shaped bar chord at the 5th fret. So just that bit again. So the whole thing. And that's kind of most of the song, really. So that's kind of like the main riff. You got good taste. Come on over and sit in my lap. Like that. Yeah, so it's just like. So after the verse, it goes to the D chord. So just playing that riff that we played before at the 10th fret. Then it goes up to the 15th fret, which is why I'm playing a Telecaster, because you couldn't do this in a Gretsch. So it's up at the 5th. Oh. So I'm up at 15, and then I'm going up to, what's that, 20 on the B. So start on the D. And then goes to the E. Then D. And back to A chord. So that's like the main thing. So that's just, the verse is just 1 hit and then 2 hits. And then it goes to D chord. A chord. E chord. D chord. Back to A chord. Okay, then the solo. This is played by Kid Congo, I believe. So all he's doing, so that, I just keep saying to folk, this is so, you know, so important, that less is more on the guitar, I think, in my personal opinion. So it's just the A pentatonic scale. If you can play it. So we're going to play it 5th fret on the low E, and then 8 on the E, back to 5, 5, 8, 5. Then we're going to slide up to the 12th fret on the low E, 10, back to 5. And then it's, so then it's 9 on the, so no, 7 on the A, 6, 5, like the D up here, so that's 12, 11, 10, then 10, 9, 8, then 5, 8, 5. Okay folks, I hope you find that helpful. That was You've Got Good Taste, and if you're here, I know you've got good taste, so very good that you're here. Thanks very much for watching. I'll be back with more rock and roll next week. I did a tab for Richie Valance. There was a request to do Boney Maroney. So I've done the tab, I haven't done the video, but I'll put the link down below so you can download that if you're meaning to get on with that. Okay folks, keep rocking, keep subscribing, please drop me comments, otherwise I get really depressed and I think nobody's watching the videos. So I just sort of doesn't keep me motivated. So if you could drop me some comments, that'd be great. Speak to you next time, keep rocking.